pravidelně nemáme čekat útoky na rekordy, tak jak přišla i tahle bere naplno, ale si myslím, že je taková cíl.
Last year you said that the season 2010 was kind of off-season, not very major, and nobody could expect something special or anything special from you. How do you consider this season, 2011?
Well, it's very important to me. I've said it over the years that these two upcoming years are going to make me a legend, and I definitely want to go to Korea and defend my title successfully. So I'll be working hard and I'll be trying to get back into form for the rest of the season. So I'm really focused and I'm really ready to work hard.
Áno, je pripravený tu pracovať, je zameraný na tieto 2 roky, keďže 2011 a 2012 majstrovstvá sveta a olympijské hry. Musí obrať svoj titul, aby pokračoval v svojom projekte, stať sa legendou.
Mladá prota?
Když 9 měsíců se nevyhrál, stávalo se nám zdálo v závodě, že byste si to závodě.
When you were not running for such a long time competitions, were you dreaming like about competitions?
I was scared. Half the time I was scared. Didn't really dream, but I really wanted to compete. But my coach, like he said, he doesn't think I'm fit enough. He's not going to set me up there unless he's sure I'm ready to run. So.
Áno, ani on nehovorí, že by ani nestíval, ale čakal na rozhodnutie trénera, lebo tréner rozhoduje o tom, či je naozaj natoľko pripravený, aby mohol súťažiť. On by možno aj súťažil, ale tréner ešte neuznal závodne, aby už nastúpil na nejaký čas.
Sport.
How do you consider that you compete against Steve Mullins, who run, if we compare times, who faster times than you so far?
He's a great athlete. As I said, he's from Toronto, so he's one of the best. But Steve Mullins has been improving over the years. He was one of the greats in high school when I was around. He made a lot of records. So for me, it's an honor to compete with Steve because he's a very talented athlete and I'm looking forward to it. So it should be a good race.
Áno, cením si ho, ako sme spomínali, je z Kráľovny, teda z rovnakej oblasti ako Jusina. Už na strednej škole bol taký idolom, lebo prekonal školské rekordy, takže myslím si, že teraz je to naozaj vynikajúci super, ktorému sa darí sa zlepšovať a teší sa na súboj s ním.
Question?
Yeah. Hussein, I just want to get your thoughts and feelings on trying to stay faster than Tyson Gay. I guess you're not going to see him in competition for World Championships. But are you concerned at all, considering what happened in Stockholm at the end of last season?
Že ako hodnotí aj ako očakáva súboje s Tysonom Gayom, bola tá otázka v skratke asi.
Well, earlier, last year I said, last year was my season off, so it was the best time to get ahead. But this season, I'm really focused and I'm ready. I'm going to work hard to get back to where I was. And for me, focus is never on one athlete. I would say, the one player is running good as you see, Mullins is running good this season. So for me to sit and focus on Tyson, he hasn't really run 100 years this season yet. So I can't sit and say, oh, I wonder what he's going to do. So I have to focus on what I need to get done. I got my first race all the way last week, so I'm focused on this one now. I'm trying to get back into shape now. I guess I'll meet my other championships.
Určite sa nezameriava na súboj s Tysonom Gayom, ani vôbec na ňom nemyslel, lebo sú tu aj ďalší rýchli šprintery ako Steve Mullins alebo Johan Bleda. Keby sa sústredil na niekoho špeciálne, tak určite mu to nič neprinieslo a nepomohlo, takže myslí na svoje štarty, na svoje súťaže, na to, aby obhájil titul majstra sveta v Deku.
Mullins, do you expect the time he ran so far this season, and did you ever think the past when you were younger than now? No, do you ever think?
No, I've never trained. I think we did on a junior team together, but I've never really trained them. And definitely, I said it over the years. If you train hard enough and you're very focused and determined, you will get faster time over time. And these guys have been working really hard and they're just getting their time done and it's so good. So it's better to score also.
Nikdy spolu netrénovali, čo sa týka dospelého veku, a myslím si, že je to dobré, že sa zlepšuje a prináša to viac zaujímavých súborov. And he also went to USA on to school, so he didn't stay in Jamaica. Marix nebol na Jamajka, ale išiel do vysokoškolského systému športu v USA, takže tam žije, ako nie je na Jamajka už v tomto období.
Je to spokával? S Johanem Blakem se zná, že se jim líp, tak jak mu to Johan prohání tréninku, ale si zdomávat, že teď přijde roku na konstrukce.
You possibly know better Johan Blake than Steve Marix now, as he's a member of Racers. Are you running against each other in training? And are you worried that he can break your league record here tomorrow in the 200?
Well, yeah, the old guys, we're very good friends. We train lots in training. We're very competitive in training, actually. We go at each other, especially in the starts. So, for me, it's really fun to train with him. And he's really improved a lot over the seasons. I think he really wants to be just one of the top contenders, and he's making himself definitely one of the top contenders, and he's working really hard. So I definitely think there's a possibility. I don't think his strongest suit is at 200 years, but there's definitely a possibility that he could get me to record because we were at lunch and we were discussing it, and he was saying he's going to go up there, he's going to try his best. So you never know.
Áno, myslím si, že by Johan mohol prekonať, aj keď si nemyslí, že úplne stávali na dvojstotku, ale práve na obede sa o tom spolu bavili, on mohol, že chce zaberúť ten rekord, ja sa nedal, nebojte sa, a takže v každom prípade je pripravený na to a myslí si, že by to mohol, že by to Johan Blake mohol dokázať. Áno, spolu niekedy aj súťažila, ale myslí si, že to je normálne štart, najmä na štartoch. Si dávajú medzi sebou.
Šport?
The question is whether you think it will be enough to win tomorrow to run a big record in the 100.
Yeah,
Which was 983.
Yeah, definitely. I think so. I love fast moving times that I've been running this season, so I think if you don't break the record, you definitely will.
Yes, and in the 100, we have 983 as Arkham.
Well, the weather looks great, and for me, I've never wanted to pretty good time, but I definitely want to go there and give my all if I execute right, and the weather is this good, you never know, because I haven't seen this good weather in Australia ever.
Že nikdy ešte nevidel takéto dobré počasie v Ostrave, ako je dnes. Tak verme, že to vydrží, no a myslí si, že je to možné, ale on je známy tým a sám to potvrdzuje, že nechce predpovedať žiadne časy. Takže, ale v každom prípade, keď ten beh vyjde, tak ako si predstavuje, všetko je možné, ako som povedal.
You talked a lot about the stress you were under in Rome. Why was that stress so strong? Was it because it was the first race? And second, would you say that it was probably the most difficult race of the season for you because it was the first?
Otázka bola, či to bol pre mňa najťažší beh sezóny, keďže bol prvý a prečo mal toľko stresu pred tým prvým štátom, že či to bolo preto, že to bol ten prvý štát.
Well, yeah, definitely. It was my first race, and in probably 9-10 months, I was nervous. I've never been nervous in like 4 years. So it was something new for me, so it was weird. So for me, I got through that, and that's the most important thing. And now I'm ready to move on, and I'm feeling much better because I know what I can do, and it feels good to know that I'm getting back there, getting back into good shape, and I'm just getting back to the really same boat. So I'm just looking forward to the rest of the season.
Áno, teším sa na zvyšok sezóny, lebo už sa znova stávam tým starým Jusienom Boltom. Tá nervozita bola preto, lebo som nevedel, na čom som po tom dlhom období. Bol som taký nervózny ako nikdy za posledné 4 roky. Kvôli tomu čakaniu na vek, bolo to niečo nové pre mňa, tie pocity som príliš nepoznal, ale už to mám za sebou, zvládol som to a teraz sa už cítim možno lepšie smerom k ďalším štátom, najmä k tomu zajtrajšiemu.